Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic juice. First, let's understand why organic is a great choice. Organic produce is grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, offering a cleaner option for your body. Juicing is a fantastic way to boost your daily intake of fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get a wide array of essential vitamins and minerals. It's a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. Now let's gather what you need. Choose a colorful mix of organic fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, spinach, and ginger for a balanced flavor and nutrient profile. You'll need a reliable juicer. Masticating juicers are great for leafy greens, while centrifugal models are faster. Always wash your produce thoroughly, even organic items, to remove any surface dirt. With your ingredients ready, let's start juicing. Begin by chopping your organic fruits and vegetables into pieces that fit easily into your juicer's chute. Feed them slowly and steadily to extract the most juice. For example, alternate hard items like carrots with softer greens. Don't be afraid to experiment with combinations to find your favorite, like apple and kale, or beet and orange. Once your delicious organic juice is made, it's best to drink it right away to maximize its nutritional benefits. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 24 hours, but the sooner you drink it, the better. Keep exploring new organic fruit and vegetable blends to keep things exciting and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.